This is Jeff DeWorth with Eagle Adjusting Services. We're on Sawmill River Parkway South, heading towards Route 120 at the scene of an accident involving KS Trucking. As you can see, Sawmill River South is a 2-lane road. It's a highway. It has no place to pull over, and it is a 55-mile-per-hour road. There's a guardrail on the center to the left, no guardrails on the right, and once again, no pullover lane or anything of that nature is noted. Route 120, where they're just in front of the bridge. This is where the accident occurred. That looks like some guardrail that's been replaced, and that's about as good as we can get, as this is a no-stopping street.